Morning guys, in front of me is Red Magic 8 Pro, and let me show you how to use secret codes on this device. So at first, open your phone dealer, and now let's enter the first code, which is *pound 06 pound. And as you can see here, you've got email information, so you can smoothly read both email numbers, main number, and whenever you want to go back, just tap on OK. And that's it. This is all for the first one. The second code that you can use here is *pound 225 pound *. And here you've got the calendar info. So once you want to check all upcoming events connected with all calendars that you've got paired with your device, just enter this code and it is all displayed here. Let's go back again. And the last code that I want to share with you today is *pound 426 pound *. And this panel shows the FCM diagnostic, where you can see events and status. So smoothly scroll through everything and read the data that you want to get. And whenever you wish to explore it a bit more, tap on More icon and select Advanced View. So here you've got way more details. Then to exit, tap on Back button. And that's it. So this is how you can enter secret codes to your device, how you can use them. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.